Good morning children. Today we are going to see the higher unit. How to convert the lower unit to the higher unit and the higher unit into the lower unit. First you must know the order. Okay, we are learning now only length. So in the length the highest unit is the kilogram. Highest unit is the kilogram. And the other three units, higher units also you must know, that is little smaller than kilogram is hectogram. Again, smaller than hectogram is decagram. Okay, meter is the standard, gram is the standard, sorry, kilometer. Okay, we are going to see the length now, so it is kilometer, hectometer and decameter. Meter is the standard unit. Okay, so these three are the higher units. So now let's see the order now. First is millimeter. This order no, you must by heart. Millimeter, then centimeter, decimeter. I have written in short form. You by heart the full form. Okay. Next one is decameter. Then one is hectometer. Then kilometer. Okay, now meter is the standard unit, the highest unit is the kilometer. So let's see the relationship between meter to kilometer. So meter is the lower unit, it is smaller one, kilometer is the higher one. Okay, so this is the lower unit, this lower unit we will convert into higher unit. So when we convert, what is the relationship? Let's see. Okay, so meter is here and kilometer is here. So from meter to kilometer, how many steps we have to come? 1, 2, 3. 3 steps we are coming. So 30. 30. The number with 30 is 1000. Okay, now we are coming down. So when you come down, it is division. So this fraction is meaning, the fraction of meaning is it is dividing. No? So this symbol shows it is dividing. 1 divided by 1000. Okay, so the meter, if you divide by 1000, it will be converted into kilometer. So that is the relationship between meter into kilometer. So you can write it now, 1 meter equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. Okay, so this is from meter to kilometer. Okay, now let's see from kilometer to meter. How to do from higher unit to the lower unit. So here also how many steps? 1, 2, 3. 3 steps we are going. So 3 zeros. Since we are going upward, so it is multiplied. It's just 1000. Okay, so we can write it now. From kilometer to meter we went. So we will start from kilometer. So 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Okay, so this is another formula. So this is converting the higher unit into the lower unit. That time you will use this formula. Convert the lower unit into the higher unit. You will use this formula. Okay, know the difference. If you know the difference, then the calculation will be easier. Okay, now 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So suppose 7 kilometer is given. So what will be? How many meters it will be? So this is multiplying by this number. You have to multiply by this number. 7 kilometer equal to 7 into, instead of this kilometer, you put 1000 meter. Multiply 1000 meter. So this meter you have to write without writing, don't leave it. Now 7 into 1000, 7000. So it will be 7000 meter. 7 kilometer equal to 7000 meter. So last you have to take and write the answer. 7 kilometer equal to 7000 meter. Okay, so the formula you will write, then you will do the calculation, then last you have to take and write the answer. Okay, so this is only kilometer is given like this. Suppose if it is given with meter and kilometers, how to convert it? I will example 2. Suppose if it is given 14 kilometer and 500 meter into meter. Okay, 14 kilometer 500 meter. This is full one measurement. So this measurement you have to convert into meter. So this 500 meter is already in meter. Okay, so we have to convert into meter. So don't bother this one. So this kilometer only you have to convert into meter. So kilometer, you must know the formula. Kilometer to meter. What is the formula? Kilometer to meter. So you have to go 3 steps forward. You are going upward. So it will be 30, that is 1000. Since you are going upward, so multiply. So the formula will be 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. This is the formula. For each sum you have to write the formula, not for only one sum. For each sum you have to write the formula, then only the formula will get inside the mind. Automatically it will get inside the mind, you don't need to buy one. Okay, for that only I am telling you to write for each sum to write the formula. So don't forget, for each sum write the formula. So 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So now we will do the sum. 14 kilometer 500 meter equal to, so this 14 multiply by, instead of this kilometer, you write 1000 meter. Okay, again this is already 500 meter. Okay, so this no need to convert, so just you add it in there. So plus 500 meter. Okay, now 14 into 1000. So those who don't know how to multiply, by multiplying by 1000 already taught, you will be sitting and multiplying like this. Don't waste your time multiplying like this. So how to do this? 3 zeros are there. So just now don't think of the 0, only remember the number. Here 1 is there. So this 1 you multiply this number. So if you multiply by any number by 1, the same number is the answer. So 14 into 1, it is 14 only. Now how many zeros are left? We have without carrying we kept, so there are 3 zeros left. So that 3 zeros insert at the back. That's all. This is a short form and the calculation will be quicker. Don't do the calculation like this. Again this is meter, so compulsory how to write a meter, don't write just the number. Again plus this 500 meter. Wherever the measurements are given, measurement and units are given, that is compulsory how to mention it, not just writing the number. Now 14,000 plus 500. So those who know to add directly, you add it. Others arrange the digits in order, don't arrange it here. Some of you last year they used to arrange from the left side. Don't arrange from the left side, from the right side only you have to arrange and you add it now. So 0, any number if you add with 0, the same number is the answer. So 14,500. 14,500 meter. So this is the answer. So last you have to take and write the answer. 14 kilometer 500 meter equal to 14,500 meter. Answer is over. So the sum is starting from here and ending here. So all this must be there in between. Starting with the formula, ending with the answer, and in the middle the calculation. This all must be there. Don't write it in a shortcut. All the steps should be there, then only I can give the full marks. Now let's see how to convert the meter into kilometer. Okay, now 5,000 meter you have to convert into kilometer. How to? So meter to kilometer. So from meter to kilometer when you come, you are coming 3 steps downward, and so it is 1000. Since you are coming downward, it is 1 by 1000. So the formula will be meter to kilometer. So 1 meter equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. So this is the formula. So now the answer will be 5,000 meter equal to 5,000 multiplied, instead of meter you have to write 1 by 1000 kilometer. 1 by 1000 kilometer. Now this will be in fraction, already you have learned like this. When it is there, you write in divide. 5,000, this is the whole number. This whole number you divide by this denominator. So divide 1000 kilometer. So 5,000 divided by 1000. So how many thousands are there in 5,000? There are 5 thousands. So 5 kilometer. Okay, so this is the answer. So if you don't know now, this one already you have learned in division short form how to divide by 1000. There are 3 zeros. So from here 3 zeros. There are 3 zeros. So from right side, last 3 digit will be the remainder. Okay, remaining will be the question. So 1, 2, 3. So these 3 digits will be the remainder. So all these 3 digits are zeros. So 0 will be the remainder. And remaining, what is remaining? 5. 5 is the question. So 5 is the answer. Remainder is 0, we leave it. So 5 kilometer. So the answer is 5000 meter equal to 5 kilometer. This is the answer. Okay, now next one, 10,050 meter into kilometer and meter. So this is also meter into kilometer and meter. So this they are asking you to convert into 2 units. That means what is the meaning? Meter, it is already in meter. So they are asking again meter means the remainder what you get after dividing, what you get the remainder will be the meter. The question will be the kilometer. That's all. Okay, don't be confused since it is given 2 things how to do. Don't think that kilometer, this kilometer will be the question. When you divide, what you get the question that will be the kilometer, and the remainder what you get that will be the meter. So meter to kilometer we are converting. Meter to kilometer. So the formula is 1 meter equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. This is the formula. So now let's do the calculation. So 10,050 meter equal to 10,050 multiplied by, instead of this meter you have to write 1 by 1000 kilometer. 1 by 1000 kilometer. So in fraction this one we write it like 10,050 divided by 1000 kilometer. And already we have learned in division. Okay, so here 3 zeros. So the last 3 digit will be the remainder. Okay, so the remainder will be, this is rough only, I am showing you how to do. So 3 zeros. So the last 3 digit 1, 2, 3. So the remainder is 0, 5, 0. Okay, so this 0 I can leave it, only 50 is the remainder. Okay, and remaining what is there? 10 is there. So 10 will be the question. 10 will be the question. Okay, so this way you can take it now, question and remainder. Already I told, question is the kilometer and the remainder will be the meter. So that way you can write it. Otherwise how we can do means, there are 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros is 1000. So from here, from right side, count 3 digits, 1, 2, 3. So after 3 digits you keep a point. So it will be 10.050 kilometer. Okay, 0.5 kilometer, it will be like that. So now, before point what is there, that you write it in kilometer. Okay, so 10 kilometer. Again, after point what is there? 0.50. Okay, 0 and 50. So 0 is useless, only we will take it 50. So 50. So now 50 will be the remainder, no? That is meter. If you go with the remainder and question, directly you can go to these steps. Okay, so I told you the question will be the kilometer, that is 10, and the remainder will be the meter, so that is 50. Okay, that way you can go to these steps, and if you are not knowing how to calculate the remainder of the question, then you can go with this decimal point by keeping 3 digits the point. Okay, suppose here is 100 is there means after 2 digit you will keep a point. If there is 10, in 10 only 1 0, so after 1 digit you will keep a point. That way you can go. Okay, so it's up to you whether you will find the remainder and question and do the calculation. Otherwise, you will keep a point and you can do the calculation. Both the way you can do the calculation. Okay, now we will take and write the answer. 10,050 meter equal to 10 kilometer and 50 meter. This is the answer. Okay, now we have learned how to convert into kilometer, again how to convert into meter we have learned. Next we will see the addition and subtraction.